poverty hinders IQ in the United States more than any other Western country. Why? Because poor people don't have access to health care. Texan and Scottish researchers have found people, this was published the day before Christmas, again over at RT. Texan and Scottish researchers have found people born in the United States suffer the effects of poverty more than in other Western countries. While studying the relationship between poverty and IQ, lack of access to health care and education contributed. They were actually looking at, because whenever this topic comes up, you always get some, white supremacist racist going, oh, well, that's because you're measuring poor black people. Or some fool saying, well, that's because you're measuring poor people in Appalachia and everybody knows, or whatever. Well, this was done on 14 separate studies of 25,000 sets of twins and siblings in the United States, Australia, Sweden, Germany, and the Netherlands. And what they found is that your social environment can override your genetic potential for intelligence, at least in the United States. In the other countries, it wasn't that big a deal. Basically, having smart parents increases your chances of being smart. That's, just well known. It's got nothing to do with race or class or anything else. That's pure genetics. But what they're finding is that poverty can overcome genetics in the United States, whereas it doesn't in other countries. Why? Lousy prenatal health care, lousy early childhood health care, and also lousy access to early education in the United States, particularly in poor neighborhoods. All these things become more important than our genes. The link between poverty and a lower IQ is less noticeable in Western Europe and Australia. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It's like what we're doing to our own people. It's criminal. I mean, it's Reaganomics, but it's morally criminal anyway. To watch more clips from our programs, hit the Watch More Videos button over here, and please be sure to hit the handy dandy subscribe button so you'll always be up to date. Tag, you're it.